My nephew is playing Fortnite.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever. I'm playing Fortnite. Wolverine caught us.
And my dog is being a dork. He's being a silly dork. Yes, you are. You're being a silly dork. His name is Sinjin Ha. You're being a silly dork.
Yep, there goes
You're being
my
a
friend.
silly dork.
Yep.
Yes, you are. You're being a silly dork, Sinjin Ha. Hello.
Anyways, dude, let's go. It's lit. It's lit. The new Travis Scott meal. I pooped myself.
And my nephew is being a dork too.
Hey, how dare you? I'm not weird.
Yeah, you are.
Shush.
Oh, Selena's growling at her brother.
Don't make me poop in your yard.
I love my two doggies.
Hey, I ain't special. Oh, kinda am, but still. Stop it. You're a bad boy.
You're my goofy nephew.
Hey, stop it. I'm not weird.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Today we're gonna do is
Selena's being
it's attack Wolverine, and we're gonna run away like little girls. Ready?
Oh, jeez. Hey.
Whoa.
Okay. Hey, quit being honored towards your little brother.
Is
I mean, your big brother.
LeBron, Kobe.
He's allowed up here too, you know.
All right, let's land at Wolverine.
Hear me. She's being a grouch.
All right, let's land here and then take all the guns together and then let's attack Wolverine. if it doesn't work like that, he all of a sudden I don't know. All right.
Give her a
Maybe I'll see
kiss.
you later. Me and the rest of the team are just gonna attack Wolverine. Bye.
She's the angry little chihuahua.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, she's a chub, but,
Today,
yeah.
before Thanksgiving, I'm wearing his Jennifer Walters, and I want Wolverine. Hold up. Anyways, ooh, guns. Are there guns here? I'm gonna take.
She
a
goes,
scorch-
"Rrr, rrr."
Oh man, also a fishing rod and a bandage.
Angry turd.
Hey,
You're
look,
angry.
fish. I want fish. No, I'm kidding.
He's
I'm
back
not.
away with
Today,
his angry
people
sister.
think I'm weird. No, I'm not. I'm not
You're
weird.
such a turd.
Poopy head.
You're nice to sing it home.
I'm gonna poop on your lawn,
You
and
hold
then
it back.
later I'm gonna give you a gift of poopiness.
Okay, weirdo.
I'm gonna poop on your lawn and write a note that says, "You smell."
You're a big dork.
Hey, don't. Hey, look, not here. Control.
Yep, he's still playing his Fortnite.
Yeah.
The big old dork.
Hey, I'm not a big old dork. First off.
You're talking about pooping and whatever.
I'm gonna poop in their front, like, I'm gonna poop in their doorstep and then later say, "You smell weird."
Very funny.
And then second, I'm just gonna kill Wolverine and
Ricky,
Fortnite.
you're a goof nut.
Hey, no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
We.
Ghostbuster kid out.
I'm in complete control of my actions.
Ah, very funny.
I keep control of my actions.